part my hair. It does not have to be perfect. You're gonna use your fingers to swoop your curls, you know what I mean, like kind of give your curls a little bit of oomph. And as you go, you can take a little bit more of gel just to help define your curls a little bit better. Excuse me if you see me kind of looking off to the side sometimes in the video. It's because I'm looking into my vanity. It's kind of hard to do this type of style without having a mirror right in front of me. Next, I'm going to be taking a toothbrush. No, not to brush my teeth. I'm going to be taking this to slay these edges, honey. Who does not love slayed edges? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to slay my edges. This gel comes in handy, guys. Like I said before, it does not flake at all. So let's slay. Finished product, guys. I love it. This was simple, this was easy, this was quick. This will last me maybe 3 days, maybe 5 days tops. Guys, this hairdo is bomb. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the ringer bell so you do not miss any videos from me, guys. And this is LaVenDer, and like I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.